Hello beautiful people, welcome. So today I'm going to share with you this get ready with me with all the products that I have been loving lately to achieve this very elegant, versatile, youthful, glowy look which you can pair with any kind of attire or any kind of mood. So if you want to achieve this kind of glowy face and a very enhanced yet you look just like yourself but more beautiful, then keep on watching. So I have done my skin prep. So I do have a in-depth skin prep tutorial on my Instagram. I'm gonna try to link it somewhere in here or in the description box. First step that I do is I use this makeup setting spray, which is the Urban Decay Vitamin C makeup setting spray. That is what it's called. It's with cactus flower water. This adds such a beautiful glow. This will help to prolong the longevity of the makeup that we put on later on. Talking about longevity, we cannot forget primer. So the primer I am using today is the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. It just makes the face feel like so silky, so smooth, like, oh, so bouncy. I love it. I'm just gonna put in a pore filling primer around the T-zone area. And once that is done, I am gonna let it again sit for 5 to 7 minutes and then I'm gonna come back with the rest of the makeup. Color corrector wise, I have been loving this Huda Beauty color corrector. I have been using it in the shade Mango. And the way this color manages to diffuse the discolorations on my face is amazing. And I really like the formulation as well. This is so thin, but yet it manages to do its job. So before I go in with my foundation, I use concealer a little bit just to brighten up the under eye area, like here. I am using the Dior Backstage concealer, and I like to use a brush to blend this so that I do not lose the coverage, because this is very thin and it gives light to medium coverage. So at the moment, none of my foundations match me. I only have this one in the shade 6.25. You can apply it with a brush first, put a thin layer all over, starting from the middle point of your face, then to the outer part, drag it down your neck. Do not forget a neck. So this way, you're not wasting any product and you're distributing the product evenly. I come back with a beauty blender after that and just make sure that there is no streaks and any excess product anywhere. So I've just done some pinpoint concealing wherever I have a little more discoloration with this concealer. This is the Natasha Denona in the shade YP8. So lately I have been loving a combination of these two. This is the Westman Atelier contour stick. This is in the shade Truffle, and this is by Fenty Beauty, and this is in the shade Mocha. So I do not like to put it directly on my face. I like to scrabble the product at the back of my hand and then pick it up with the brush. And then I put it at the hollows of my cheek and blend it upwards. And this product, it's so good. Westman Atelier products are like so worth the price. It is just butter. Then I come back with the Fenty one, and same way, back of my hand. For all my cream products I'm gonna do this, so let's not repeat it. Same brush. Now I go in just here, like you see, just below here, not everywhere. Now to brighten underneath my eyes, I am using a different shade of that Natasha Denona concealer. This is in the shade YP5. I'm gonna come back with the sponge and blend it. See how this is brightening this area? Now, after this, I always come back with the bronzer brush and then diffuse these lines so that it doesn't look harsh and you cannot tell where the bronzer and the highlight starts and ends. These are the steps that makes your makeup look like those effortless, celebrity-like finish. Now Now at this stage, I want to come back with my setting spray one more time to lock everything in. Now to set underneath my eyes, I'm gonna use my favorite, the Givenchy Prisma Libre powder, but not the usual way that I do. I'm gonna use a brush today. So powdering this way will make your skin look like, it still looks like skin. It doesn't look like all edited, filtered. Well, that is what I go for all the time, but it depends on my mood and what kind of look that I want to achieve. So because I have concealers around my face, not just underneath my eyes, so I need to set them, and for that I love this powder because this is so finely milled, yet it looks so glowy and it sets the face and it doesn't move at all. So I do not have much powder in this. It's very, very light, just enough to set lightly. Now, this is one product that I got my hands on and I am obsessed, you can say. These are the Dior Forever Glow Maximizer. I have 4 shades. I wish to have all of them, but for now, these will do. These are the most beautiful pearl scent luminous illuminator. You can use it many various ways. You can use it on your eyes, on your cheeks, on your lips, I mean underneath your foundation, on top of your foundation, mixed in with your foundation, however. And the finish that it has, it is so skin-like, yet it is so like lit from within. I mean, you got that 10 hours of sleep, you have had that holiday glow, you are madly in love, name it. This is all in one bottle. Today, I'm gonna use the shade Rosy. You can dab it directly as well. I don't, as I said. Just go like this. Oh, see that? Do you see that? Oh my God, you are so beautiful. But this blush, I really wanted to share with you. I have not got any blush. I have a drawer, not one, but multiple drawers full of blushes. But this shade, and I'd like to take my blush a little bit underneath my eyes as well. So I put blushes very many ways. Blushes, I mean the placement of the blushes have the ability to change your face shape. Did you know that? In between each step, keep your beauty blender handy. Just go over with it so that it looks all meshed up with the rest of the makeup. Now I'm gonna use the gold shade to highlight this time above my cheekbones. Tell me this face doesn't scream glowy goddess. I am so happy to find all these products and I'm so happy to share it with all of you. For my eyes, it's going to be so simple, quick and easy. You're not going to believe your eyes. I am going to use this palette today. This is the Natasha Denona gold palette, the previous one, not the new one. And the shades in here are so neutral. So I love to travel and keep this handy dandy because these shades are good to give you very many eyeshadow looks. I do not need these eyeshadows to be neat. So I have roughly just placed them to create some depth. That's all I have done. It wouldn't be me if I do not use something glowy, glittery on my lids. That is so me. So for that, I have been loving the shade from this palette. This is the I Need a Nude palette and the shade Muse. Oh, just see the magic. Like, do you see this? Mascara. I do wait until I put my mascara and then I decide if I want to put an eyeliner or if I don't. So before I put my mascara, I always curl my lashes. I do not wear falsies on an everyday basis. Even for night outs or special events, there are days when I just do not use falsies. So this way, I can have statement lashes. Then why wouldn't I? Now, eyeliner wise, I have been loving the Hourglass pencils. These are the 1.5 mm mechanical gel eyeliner. So I am using, what shade is this? Bronze for my waterline. Like you see, this is not too much, but it just adds enough depth onto the eyes. I really like the effect. So the lip combo that I'm gonna share with you now is the one that works every time, looks fabulous with any kind of outfit, any kind of look, and it's just so good. So let me share it with you. All right. So first I'm gonna use two lip pencils. I am going to use the Pomegranate one. I do not know how to pronounce this name. I'm gonna put it in the description box. I'm gonna come back with Charlotte Tilbury lip cheat in the shade Love Trap and go over it. Next, I'm going to take this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Intense. It's a mini one, but the shade, it looks expensive every single time. So because I want to add a little bit something light in the middle part of my lips, I'm gonna take this Fenty Uncuffed one, but I'm not gonna apply it directly. So this is the finished look, you guys, and this is so long lasting. This is gonna survive through any rainy, cloudy, summery, sweaty, hot day. I really hope you guys have enjoyed spending time with me today, and if you guys like to watch this kind of chatty, simple, yet some very informative tutorials, then do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, take care, stay blessed and beautiful.